Hi, I'm Khushboo. I'm an interior designer by profession and a creator by heart. I have always been passionate about designing, creating, and the beauty of fine details. Whether I'm designing a home, creating a handmade piece, I believe every detail tells us a story. As my daughters grew up, we started spending time together, exploring different DIY kits. Their curiosity, ideas, and excitement inspired me to keep learning, creating, and exploring. That journey led to DIY Artist K. This channel is dedicated to my daughters who have unknowingly inspired me to turn my passion into something that I could share it with the world. Here you will find DIY tutorials, creative kits, and handmade pieces that makes creativity more enjoyable. Thank you for being here. This channel will help you create, learn, and spend memorable time with your loved ones. Thank you and welcome to DIY Artist K.